Hello, everybody. My name is Kerwin Stewart, and today we will be discussing the career path that is rapidly shaping our world today. Artificial intelligence, known as artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is transforming industries such as healthcare, cybersecurity, educational, business, even military operations. AI professionals create systems that can analyze information, solve problems, and assist humans in making smarter decisions. As technology continues to grow, the demand for AI specialists continues to increase across many industries. This career field offers innovation, creativity, leadership opportunities, and even a chance to help shape the future. Next slide. As an AI specialist, you help develop systems that can simulate human intelligence. These professionals design machine learning models, analyze the large amounts of data, improve automation systems, and even solve complex technical problems. AI specialists can work in healthcare, cybersecurity, robotics, finance, education, and many other fields. One reason this career is exciting is because technology is constantly evolving. New tools and systems are developed every year, which means AI professionals are always learning and adapting. Honestly, technology moves so fast that now some people update their phones more often than they update their password, which reminds me I need to update my password. Next slide. There are several professional organizations that help students and professionals succeed in AI field. The first organization is the Association for Advanced Artificial Intelligence, also known as AAAI. This organization focuses on AI research, networking, and even conferences. The second organization is the Association for Computing Machinery. ACM provides educational resources, certifications, and career development opportunities. The third organization is the Institute for Electronic Engineers, also known as IEEE. IEEE supports professionals in engineering and technology fields and offers resources related to artificial intelligence. These organizations help build connections, help gain mentorship, and stay informed about the changes that are happening within the industry. Next slide. Volunteer opportunities. Right? Volunteer opportunities can help students determine whether AI is the right career path for them. Examples include STEM tutoring programs, robotic clubs, coding camps, and community technology workshops, and even open source software projects. These experiences allow students to practice teamwork, leadership, communication, and problem-solving skills. Volunteer works can also help students and understand that careers in AI are not only about coding. AI professionals work with people, solve real-world problems, and create systems designed to improve everyday life. Next slide. To pursue a career in artificial intelligence, students usually complete a degree related to computer science, information technology, data science, or even artificial intelligence, which I go to GCU for. These include learning a language known as Python, data analytics, machinery learning, cybersecurity learning, database management, statistics, and even mathematics, and the ethics of being in technology. These courses help students develop technological skills while also learning how to use technology responsibly and ethically. Next slide. So my dream job would be to be an AI engineer. According to the job description on websites such as LinkedIn and Indeed, AI engineers design machine learning systems, analyze data, improve automation, and develop intelligence software applications. Employees often look for candidates with a strong programming background, problem-solving abilities, teamwork skills, and experience with such machine learning systems. These courses within the program prepare students for these responsibilities by teaching them coding, cybersecurity, analytics, critical thinking skills. Next slide. Network and mentoring are important for long-term success in the AI field. Building relationships with professors, mentors, classmates, and even professionals can create internship opportunities, career guidance, and future job opportunities. Mentors can help students avoid common mistakes and continue growing professionally. A Christian worldview actually can help career decisions by encouraging integrity, honesty, compassion, and ethical leadership. As artificial intelligence becomes more advanced, ethical decision making becomes increasingly important. Technology should be used to help people while also respecting human dignity and privacy. Next slide. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is one of the most fastest growing and most influential careers fields in the world today. AI professionals help shape the future through innovation, technology development, and problem solving. Professional volunteer organization, volunteer experiences, education networking, mentorships all help students prepare for successful careers in artificial intelligence. This field requires creativity, discipline, to be adaptive, and ethical responsibility. Artificial intelligence is not simply about making machines smarter. It is about humans learning how to use technology wisely and do it so ethically. Thank you for watching my presentation. This concludes my presentation. These are my references. Have a great day. Be blessed.